and welcome back to my channel. It's me, Nica, and in today's video, guess what? We're gonna do our favorite unboxing. What? And this is the exciting part. This is going to not literally complete everything, but this will be one of the biggest things that I bought in order for us to complete our vlogging setup. This is our gimbal. Let's do this. So this one came in today. It took about a week or more than a week actually, to get it delivered. It was ordered on the 5th and then today's the 12th. So yes, a couple of days. Let's go ahead and do this. By the way, the total is 4,554. It's 65 pesos for the delivery fee, and the rest is for the gimbal. I'm gonna be linking below the shop where I got it from, because it's pretty hard to find a shop that you can trust for this kind of equipment. So this is the Zhiyun. I don't know how to pronounce it, but Americans pronounce it Zhiyun. So it's this Smooth 4. So I've been doing a lot of research in the past because I really was undecisive as to which one am I going to be getting. The new one that they've got, which is the Smooth Q2, or this one, the Smooth 4. And so finally I've decided to go for this because I wanted to do more professional video or filmmaking rather than the fancy one, because for me the other one is a little bit fancy. Like, yeah, you can put it in your pocket and use it. It's very handy. However, there are some functionalities that you cannot do on that particular gimbal. So here it is. Let's do this. All right, so this is the styro case. It looks like a real case, guys, but you can buy another one online as well for about 800 pesos for you to have the durable case that they have. So let's go ahead and open this. Woo, woo, woo. Okay, so hold on. Ta-da! Okay, so in the package we got our stand. It looks like a stand for the tripod, but this one is very useful because without this you couldn't position your stabilizer well. So yep, that's it. Then we also have this Type-C cord. We're going to use this to charge the gimbal. And of course, woo, I am so excited. Here you are, the machine. So this is the gimbal itself. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to use the basic functionality of this phone. So the first thing is, of course, get your phone, mobile phone, and then insert it in here. Hold on, show you this part. So just like your regular phone, just simply insert it that way. Okay, next is you want to do that. So check it out if it's already balanced. So the phone should be like this, and your gimbal should be already turned on like that. Now, one tip you have to make sure that you already downloaded and installed the Zhiyun app for you to be able to make use of its features. Let's go and do it. Now we have the app called ZY Play installed. This is very important, guys, because this particular app will help us use the functionalities of the gimbal itself. So go to the app, click on it, and from here, if it's your first time, click on the burger icon and you will see all the options. So you just have to select the Smooth 4 because that's your device, and just click on Connect Now. Then it's gonna search for it, but I've already tried it. So right now it's showing that there is this Smooth 4 device. So just make sure it's checked and then click on Enter Now. Voila, so this is the app already. It's using the app to be able to use the functionality of the gimbal. So now you would be able to use everything from this menu. So watch out on my next tutorial. I'm gonna be showing you all the functionalities of this gimbal and even show you some of the videos that I'll be taking from the gimbal to see if it's really worth it getting this gimbal. So watch out for that. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And again, please also don't forget to click on the notification bell below so you'd always see the videos that I'm uploading. And I'll see you soon. Bye for now.